Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Detroma UG, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create Instagram stories with music. And without wasting any of your time, let's dive right into this video. And the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram. Once you've opened up your Instagram, you want to go ahead and click on this plus sign right there. Now that you've clicked on your story, you want to go ahead and choose an image or video that you want to make your Instagram story. In this case, we're going to use an image, and I'm going to go ahead and choose an image of my choice, and I'm going to go with this image right there. Now that I've selected an image that I'm going to be using, I want to go ahead and add music. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and click right here. But before we head into this next step, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video that I'm going to be uploading. So let's proceed by clicking right there. Once you've clicked right there, you want to go ahead and choose a song that you want to add on to your Instagram story. And if the song that you want is not right here, you can go ahead and search for the song that you want right here. But in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this real quick. Now, that's the song that we're gonna be adding onto our Instagram story. And once you've selected the song, you can even go ahead and play with this thing right here. You can move it to any part of the song that you want to use, just in case. Let me show you an example. If you go ahead and drag this thing right here, as you can see, if you go ahead and drag this right here, let me show you real quick. If you go ahead and hold it and you move this, you can go ahead and move this. You can move this to any part of the song that you want. Now, as you can see, the lyrics is on the screen right there and it's playing. As you can see, you can go ahead and maybe say, I want it to be right here. That's where I want it to start. As you can see that, you can even go ahead and try to play it right here by clicking right there. Now, if you are satisfied with that, you can go ahead and click right here that you're done. Now that you're satisfied with your Instagram story, you can now go ahead and click down there. Go ahead and click share, and then wait a few seconds. Now that you've reached the final step, go ahead and click on done, and there you have it. You can now go and start creating interesting Instagram stories with music. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and also turning on notifications so that you never miss any video that I'm gonna be uploading on this channel. Peace.